On day 3, we woke up full of energy and jumped in our car and headed over to Quepos, hoping to do some ziplining in town.
Guys, you want to say hey to Mom?
No!
Max's nose there. No. Imagine our disappointment when we arrived there and found out that the zip coaster was closed. Max was so upset. We had absolutely no idea what to get up to, so after taking pictures of some monkeys, Chris did some Googling and TripAdvising and found this really awesome beach called Playa Biesanz, which was quite a hike through the jungle to get to, but once we got there, it was so worth it. So, the ants here in Costa Rica are building a home.
They're going off into the jungle. Look at how organised they are going that way.
Hi!
Two most excited kids on the planet.
They've been patient. When we finally arrived to the beach, we got caught in the most beautiful, warm, tropical rain ever. The kids loved playing in the waves, and I loved that I could get a margarita and drink it right on the beach. Here we are on the beach in Quepos, which we don't remember the name of. It took us about 10 minutes to hike here. It's beautiful, but then it started to rain. So we got a margarita and let our children play in the waves. So, pura vida. After we were done with our beach adventure, we went to meet an acquaintance of a friend of ours who owns a number of hotels in Quepos, Hotel Costa Verde. The cool thing about those hotels is that the rooms there are actual planes that were converted into suites. Really cool, and the view from almost everywhere there is absolutely gorgeous. This was a great way to finish up our 3rd day in Costa Rica. The next day we were so tired after all our adventures that we just decided to hang out at the house, go to the beach, and just relax. So yeah, we spent day 4 relaxing. On day 5, we woke up bright and early, full of energy, and headed over to Nauyaca Waterfalls. You can either hike there or get on a jeep. It's like a jeep tour. I'd highly recommend getting on a jeep because it's a very long hike. So here we are.
I would love to have that.
On the jungle safari. A little shaky, right, Mac?
In the backpack, I told you can't. Only the clothes. That's usually I feel like I'm on an elephant.
He wants to make a video.
This is pretty fast.
Of the jungle safari.
Definitely safari. In the front. I don't feel like so I got so much more stuff.
There are upper and lower falls at Noyaca. At the upper falls, you can enjoy the view and take beautiful pictures, and at the lower falls, you can swim right under the waterfall. It was so cool. Oh yes, and we also made a belly dance video. Did I already mention that I was a belly dancer? We finished this beautiful day by having dinner at a really cool restaurant, Mediterranean restaurant in Uvita, Beehive. Well, and then we headed home to get ready for the big adventure that awaited us the next day. Stay tuned for part 3 of our adventure in Costa Rica, where we literally let go in the middle of the jungle. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.